Hi, Nick from Solution World of Clean. I'm going to talk to you about a slightly different product today. This one's called Oil Off. Bit of a clue in the name as usual. You know that time you come home in the van or in the car, or the delivery driver arrives, parks outside on your driveway and they've got an oil leak? And for weeks afterwards you keep looking at what used to be your lovely drive and there's this ugly oily patch. This stuff is brilliant. Block pavers, tarmac, concrete. They use this on runways of airports. Simply dilute 2 to 1. Apply to the area that's got the oil stain on it. Leave it for probably 20 or 30 minutes. You can brush it in a little bit in the meantime. And then either pressure wash or hose off. This actually digests the oil. Breaks it down. It literally eats it. But it won't damage your block pavers or your tarmac like lots of other products do. It's brilliant. Your neighbours will be coming knocking on the door saying, oh, can you get rid of the one on my driveway as well? Could be handy, that. Nice little business builder.